Hey, what's happening guys? My name is Saurav and welcome back to another video of Filmer Solutions. And in this video I'm gonna be talking about if you have a website that is basically deployed to GoDaddy and like if you don't have SSL certificate, because usually SSL certificate is very expensive in GoDaddy, that is usually around 8,000 9,000 a year. And if you don't want to pay those amount, then how you can basically do it for free. So to do it basically, so I have this domain and I want those SSL certificate, because like most of the time, like in incognito, the website is not opening because my website is not secure. So all you have to do is that just go to 0ssl.com and here we have, just click on get a free SSL. So you have to first log in. So I've already created an account and I've logged in, and now here we have like free or subscriptions, create a certificate, protection, developer, and here we're gonna be clicking on new certificate. So I've already created a new like a certificate that is already I've uploaded it on my for my website. So just click on new certificate like here, and here you have to enter the domain name. So for me it's bmhs.in, and this is the domain basically, and you don't have to click on this remove, just click on next step. And here, since we are not purchasing the pro, so we have to renew the certificate in every 3 months. So just choose 90 days. If you would like to purchase it, obviously like it costs around $10 per month, and there's like other sections like premium and other sections that are already available. Certificate, click on next step, and just click on next step, and auto generate CSR, click next step, and here we're gonna be choosing like free, and I'll click on next step. So once I'm done with it, like here you can see that like here we have DNS CNAME. So there are like 2 to 3 ways through which we can basically verify the certificate. So I'm just going with DNS, so I'll click on DNS, and this is something that we need to configure in our DNS. So I have the Windows hosting plan, and here I'll go like click on Plesk admin, or instead of that I'll just go back like here, and I'll click on my products like here, and if I click on it, here we have DNS. So just click on DNS, and we are on the DNS management page. So here we have to add all of this value. So once we add it, like here, add a new record, choose CNAME, like all the details are already given here. So choose CNAME, and this is the name that we have to keep it. Just copy it, paste it, and this is the value. We'll copy it and paste it, and here it is suggesting that TTL should be 33600 or lower. So I'll be choosing like a week, or we can just choose custom and just type 3600, and we'll click on save, and I'll just click on save, and this will take a while to update the DNS record, and now you can see that it is updated. Now we'll click on next step, and once we have configured the DNS configuration, we have done with it, just click on verify domain. It will cross check, and now you can see that the domain has been verified, Alright, so like the certificate has been issued, and in order to use it, just choose default format and download certificate, and it is downloaded. Now click on next step, and since we have downloaded the certificate, click on check installation, and it's looked like your certificate has not been installed because we have not installed the certificate yet. So we'll be extracting it first. So we'll just go to downloads, like this is the zip file that we have. We'll just extract it like in here, and these are the certificates. So we'll have to upload all this certificate like in the GoDaddy page. So we'll just be going to on the home page, we'll have to go, and now click on web hosting, click manage, and here we can just click on Plesk admin. So this Plesk admin will give us a lot of options wherein we'll be configuring the certificate. Now just go to like dashboard, and just go below. Here we have the SSL TLS certificates. just click on it, and here click on add SSL TLS certificate. Just name anything that like to, as in like school certificate. And here we have to upload all the files that we have downloaded and extracted. So we'll be choosing the first, like the public key, which is this one, private key, sorry, and this is certificate, and this is a CA certificate. So we'll be choosing CA bundle.crt, and once we have chosen all of these files, just click on upload certificate. And this will take a while to upload it. And now you can see that like our school certificate is basically added here, and we'll have to point it to this certificate. So for that, all you have to do is that just go to website and domain again, and here just choose like the domain like from here, and go to hosting and DNS, click on hosting, and here enable under the SSL TLS support, click on enable. Click redirect visitor from HTTP to HTTPS. Since we are making the application to HTTPS, just click on this, and we have to choose the certificate that whatever we have uploaded. So we'll just choose school certificate from here and click on save. And once we do that, just now the next step is click on IIS settings. Go below and click on require SSL TLS certificate, like option. Click on apply, and now on OK. And once we're done with it, just go to website and domain again. We'll have to go to IIS pool application, click on stop, and then click on start. And once we're done with it, if I just, and now if I go to incognito mode, and if I just type https bmhs.in, you can see that the application is basically running on HTTPS and the connection is secure. So this is how you can set the SSL certificate to your website, guys, how you can generate it, how you can configure it. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. So do not forget to like, subscribe. Adil Saurav, and catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.